The pandemic really brought cleaning into focus. Frontline cleaners really went from zero to hero. The legacy of the pandemic has been that it's a bit of a catalyst for change, and this has encouraged investment, which has enabled innovation. So right now we're doing a lot of work with demand-driven cleaning, like sensor technology, that advise where to go and clean and when. We've seen a lot of our teams really start to embrace the use of technology.
When the torque system introduced to us, I was a little bit apprehensive. I quick saw the system will help us a lot. Before, we used to clean the washrooms after 75 visitors. After, we reduced for 35 visitors.
We're looking at new equipment like cobotics, autonomous technology that works with our frontline cleaning teams to make cleaning more efficient. From an innovation perspective, there's so much new technology, and that makes it a really exciting place to be.